minutes.
25 minutes.
Wait for you.
25 minutes. Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, sir.